Good morning. Good morning, y'all. Today is Tuesday, September 11th. If you can't already tell, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, I am a little under the weather. Well, I'm feeling a lot better right now than I have been. It started last week around Wednesday. I started feeling a little tingle in my throat and, you know, things like that. But I spent all weekend in the bed. I think I have a sinus infection or something. I don't know. But yeah, my nose is really congested. My throat was hurting a little bit. I was having body aches and stuff like that. But I think it's a sinus infection. So yeah, I'm getting over that now. I made myself get up out the bed and make myself look like something because I've been looking a mess all weekend ever since I got sick. So I made myself get up and make myself look like something because that usually helps you make you feel better. So yeah, I got up and did a little something. This is a braid out that I did on wet hair. I did get up and wash my hair yesterday. So yeah, this, make sure I got no lipstick on my teeth, but this is a braid out. I do have to take some library books back today, and I also want to make a dish that I saw Raven Elyse make, some pasta. Y'all know I'm a pasta fanatic, but this time I forgot to get gluten-free, but that's all right. So I'm gonna make some pasta with some chicken, spinach, mushrooms, and sun-dried tomatoes, and it's gonna be so good. So yeah, I'm gonna make that later. I do need to go to the library to turn in my books. I might stay and get some more, I don't know. And then later on I'm gonna have to take Cam to football practice. So yeah, but oh, I wanted to show y'all a Wacom, whatever you call it, tablet. It's for like illustrations and drawings and stuff, and really I got it so that I could put my own little personal touches on my videos, where I could like write stuff in or draw stuff in, and it'll be like very, very personal to me because it'll be mine. So this is the tablet, and it comes with this pen that you use to draw, and it is gonna take some getting used to because it's so weird. Like, I don't know, it's just gonna take some getting used to, but I got that so that can further my little graphic designer dreams. So yeah, I got that. And I got the small one. They come in two different sizes. They come in the small and they come in the medium, I believe. I think that's as big as they go. But I got the small one simply because I've never used a tablet like this before. So I got the small one just to test it out and try it out. Just in case I didn't like it, I wouldn't have spent too much money because it wasn't at all that expensive. I think it was like $80, which isn't bad. The bigger one was like $170 or something like that. I started to get the big one just cause, but I don't have a lot of desk space either. Like, I need to get a bigger desk if I'm gonna get the bigger tablet. So yeah, let me get in here. I have not eaten breakfast or anything. I got up and did my hygiene and all that stuff and put on some clothes and did this. So I definitely need to eat something. So yeah, now that I'm in the kitchen, I really don't even feel like eating nothing. But I do have some soup. I got this powerful oatmeal from Walmart too. Can y'all see? Why is that so bright? Powerful oatmeal from Walmart. It's got 20 grams of protein. I only got one, and it was $1.50 for this. But I only got one just so I could try it out to see if I actually like it. Because I don't know. It says it's kosher, natural ingredients, good source of fiber, excellent source of protein. So yeah, it has 240 calories, protein 20 grams, has a lot of calcium and potassium. So I might eat this. I just might. I might just go ahead and eat this, even though I was gonna eat some soup, but I will probably save that. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and eat this instead. Let's hook this up. definitely creamy, that's for sure. But I think that's that whey protein, because if I'm not mistaken, that's one of the ingredients. Rolled oats and whey protein concentrate. Yeah, it smells good though, so we're gonna see. I might put some a banana or something in it. Let me just taste it like this. It don't taste bad, but me personally, I like salt in my I'm gonna add some nutmeg too, some salt and some nutmeg into it. It's getting thicker, that's for sure. It's actually pretty good. So I'm gonna eat that and get me some orange juice. And how many of y'all are like me? And let me take this chicken out too so it can be. Okay. How many of y'all are like me and you like high pulp orange juice? Now I talked about this on my Instagram stories the other day. And surprisingly, I had a lot of people who also like a lot of pulp in their orange juice, and it shocked me because the majority of the people I know, including the people that live in this house with me, don't like pulp in their orange juice. So it really shocked and surprised me that so many people like pulp in their orange juice. I had to switch cameras because my battery was dying on my vlog camera. I don't know how because I haven't been using it, but I had to switch to my DSLR and my arm is already hurting just off of what, 17 seconds of filming with it. But I'm about to go ahead and start making this pasta. I'm not gonna film it step-by-step recipe style. I'll just link to the video where I got the inspiration from, which is Raven Elyse, I told y'all. So I'll just link her video down below. Y'all can go watch her video and see how she made hers. But yeah, I'm getting into making this pasta just so I can go ahead and get that out the way because time is flying. And like I said, Kim has football practice today, so it's 11:19 right now, but I still want to go to the library, so I need to go and make this pasta, and I'm gonna put it in. Oh, and those glasses that I was wearing, those are not prescription glasses. Those are blue light blocking lenses, glasses for screens, for computer screens and stuff like that. And I had them on because I was sitting at my computer screen when I started vlogging. So those are not prescription glasses, but I'll link those down below too because I know somebody gonna ask where I got them from. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and start making this pasta and see y'all later. So I'm obviously gonna be using chicken. I got the breast strips that I can just cut up. Super simple. And in mine, I'm gonna be adding rosemary and basil and basil pesto and sun-dried tomatoes. And in mine, I'm also adding mushrooms and spinach. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get all of this set up. So and my pasta that I'm using is, I know this ain't it. This mug too big. Golly, this big old. Some garden rotini. So yeah, I'm going and get into it. Hello?
Oatmeal is good.
Protein, oatmeal. It's like 20 grams of protein.
I know, that's more like a shake.
It's got whey protein in it.
Where you get that from?
Walmart.
So I need to get some of that. Time take.
It was good. I just added some salt and nutmeg in mine.
Stronger. Oh, wish I didn't have to go and close the door. Imagine you without me shakes me to the core. Oh, yeah. And you find another beautiful flower, and I go ahead and compare myself to her. But I'm not no other, so why even bother? We can't go back to what we were.
She was looking for her slime.
I'm getting this on. I don't care if it takes me day and night. I am going to get this.
Whole shirt all messed up.
No, it's gonna come off.
I ain't see it till you start letting that seat back.
Oh, just be. Well, I guess I found it. That's the step.